Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best beard trimmer for long beards. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 Beard Trimmer. The Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 is one of the best beard trimmers that can be used for all of your grooming needs. The Multigroom Series 7000 comes with 23 pieces, including 14 different guards, 3 combs, blade oil, a power cord, and a carrying case. The dual-cut technology offers maximum precision and includes 2x more self-sharpening stainless steel blades that can last up to 5 years. To deliver maximum torque and power, the all-in-one trimmer includes a full metal motor and a drive train that's been reinforced with tempered steel. Its lithium-ion rechargeable battery delivers up to 5 hours of runtime per charge, so you can groom not only your long beard but also all over your body without ever worrying about running out of power. If you are in a hurry, you can use the 5-minute quick charge option to get enough power for one full trim. What we don't like that much about the Philips Norelco beard trimmer is that the guards don't have adjustable sliders, meaning you have to change the guards by taking out the ones already attached to the trimmer and replacing them with different length guards. Lastly, you should know that because people at Philips have paid special attention to the quality of this trimmer and the materials are chosen for durability, it is a bit heavy. Number 2. Wahl Groomsman Beard Trimming Kit. Wahl are known for budget trimmers that don't skimp on quality, and the Groomsman Beard Trimming Kit proves that they know what they're doing. Despite the rock-bottom price, everything about this is quality. From the stainless steel blades, the large variety of guards, the extras like combs and the storage pouch, shavers run from 1/16 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch, dual voltage, it can be used worldwide, and can be charged or run from the outlet. There's a reason Wahl have been in business for over 100 years, and if you're looking for a trimmer on a budget, this is by far the best option out there. The cordless model has a more nostril-friendly ear/nose trimmer and a poorly performing, tiny shaver, while this corded model has a barely functional 6-position guide that you could leave attached to its second trimmer blade. Wahl also includes some stubble guides that protect your skin from the points of the blade while cutting closer than the 1/1/6 guide comb. These work well to reduce scratching, though they don't trim nearly as close as the short settings on other models. The bare blade trims closer than the Panasonic, about the same as the Andis out of the box, but you can't zero gap these Wahl blades. Number 3. Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper and Trimmer. While there are a lot of great beard trimmers explicitly designed for grooming your facial hair, many hair clippers can do double duty as a beard trimmer, too, and when choosing hair clippers, Wahl is always our go-to brand. Specifically, we look for Wahl's budget-friendly Color Pro hair clipper system, which comes with various blade attachments. Each attachment has a color that corresponds with a specific hair length, and it's a user-friendly system that makes trimming your beard as simple as can be. As folks who grow tired of losing clippers, this was a favorite of ours during testing. No more fumbling in a bag full of black clippers and guessing which is the right one. Although it looks cheap, this trimmer can really take a beating, too. We would know best. Our clumsy tester has dropped this trimmer 3 times without issue. Keep in mind that this is definitely a beard trimmer for budget-oriented guys. The plastic attachments can be washed, but the trimmer itself is not waterproof, so don't even try it. That said, it goes way beyond what budget beard trimmers typically do. It's got a powerful punch and trims beards better than a lot of more expensive options we've tried. Pros: color-coded, can be used for heads, affordable, reliable. Cons: not waterproof. Number 4. Philips Norelco MG7750/49 All-in-One Trimmer. The trimmer comprises a strong and durable motor, a complete rust-proof stainless steel blade accompanies to offer precision in trimming. The battery life is reasonable and doesn't disappoint you. The trimmer also appears with an extensive range of combs, which makes trimming more convenient, not just for facial hair. This trimmer suits flexibility in use. Dual cutting technology is a major feature of this machine. It comes with twice as many blades made with stainless steel. Self-sharpening blades are one more feature that makes it worth the money. Lithium-ion batteries in the trimmer offer you 5 hours runtime in one charge. 14 different guards vary in length are available to offer detailed trimming. Professionals can also achieve additional attachments to use it as a nose hair trimmer and foil shaver, instead of a zoom wheel with built-in settings. It comes with multiple guards that give you various different options for lengths, along with multiple detailing blades and a foil shaver to use on your neck and other areas that require a close shave. Pros: 5-minute quick charge. Completely cordless. Self-sharpening blades. Cons: it comes with limited guards. Number 5. Remington PG6025 All-in-One Grooming Trimmer Kit. This trimmer comprises exceptional and durable blades. Blades are completely stainless steel to offer you longevity. Strong motor backs the powerful blade to offer precision in trimming. The motor is sturdy enough to handle thick and wild beards. Batteries coming with trimmer are of lithium-ion. It runs for an hour with a single charge. The trimmer is usable with or without a cord as per the user's preference. Combs of 8 length size offers great stubble and long beard trimming. All combs and attachments are washable after detaching from the trimmer. However, the trimmer is not water resistant. The users using the trimmer must avoid using it inside the shower. The grip on a trimmer is quite firm. It offers a great hold to trimmer. There is one feature missing in the trimmer. It includes the length adjustment knob. Besides that, the trimmer is quite lightweight and offers great accessibility, so you can easily keep this charged when away on business or abroad on holiday. Pros: strong and powerful motor. Lithium-ion battery charges quickly. Stainless steel blade offers durability. It offers you a sturdy grip. Cons: only offers 1 hour battery backup. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.